How to track WorldRemit money transfer. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can track your WorldRemit money transfer, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to track your WorldRemit money transfer, it's actually very simple to do so. First of all, go to worldremit.com. I'll make sure to drop a link below, and also make sure that you're signed into your account. And let's say you've made a certain transfer, you'd like to view where the transfer is heading, under which stage it is already verified, or is it just pending, or is it already been sent to the recipient. How can you figure that out? Once you're logged into worldremit.com, right here you'll find the my transactions page, or you can also see my account, and in case you don't see it, you can find it here as well. So go to my transactions tab, and then you'll be able to see all of your transfers that are currently in progress. So this page will automatically show you any of the transfers that you've made, and then you'll be able to see the progress for those transfers as well. This way you will be able to track your WorldRemit transaction. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.